In this video, we'll see what noisy data is in data preprocessing and specifically in data cleaning. Okay, so to explain noisy data, what do you mean by noise? So if there is some noise playing out, suppose someone is playing a flute very violently, then what it irritates you, it frustrates you, that voice. So that is something not good. Okay, so noisy data is also something which is not good to have in your data. It displaces and imbalances everything you have. It's not good. Okay, I think you get the intuition what I mean. So we have to remove that noisy data. There are three ways: binning, regression, and clustering. Don't worry if you have never heard of them before. I'll explain them to you in such a way that even a nursery kid can understand. So you have a lot of intellect compared to that person. Okay, don't get worried. So let's take our favorite example, vada pav. So binning method is, suppose I create 100 vada pavs. Out of them, I can say that 10 of them are good, 40 of them are okay, and 50 of them are best. Okay, so this is, I am binning them into 10 good, 10 bad, 40 medium, and 50 good. Okay, so this is binning. Regression is, suppose I can say that today there were 10 bad vada pavs, tomorrow there's 20 bad vada pavs, then on the third day what will be the number of bad vada pavs? That is regression. I can use regression to see what the difference in the actual value is. Don't worry, I'll teach it to you in the next few videos. Okay. Clustering. Clustering is making groups of some things together. Suppose I am not making groups of vada pavs, I am making groups of potatoes. Okay, so I'll cluster all the bad potatoes together and the good potatoes together so that they don't get mixed and my good potatoes are not getting rotten by the bad ones. Okay, so this is basic about clustering, binning, and regression. So stay tuned with us for the next videos to understand them better. So if you like this video, like, comment, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.